Hi, my name is Chris Gandy. I work for Lincoln Electric in the Automation Division. Today I'm going to introduce you to the VRTEX Mobile. The VRTEX Mobile is a machine simply designed to teach basic movements and motions of welding, just like its older brother, the VRTEX 360. The VRTEX Mobile comes in a much smaller package. As you can see, the storage compartments are on the side. The helmet hangs on the front. We have a touch screen that allows us to go through the program similar to the same way we go through the program in the VRTEX 360. We have our stand and our table attachment, our optional table attachment, so we can get similar movements and motions just like we can in the VRTEX 360. The software is exactly the same, just a little bit cut back. However, we can still teach the same basic motions and movements on all the plate welds. We can simulate the flat plate, we can simulate the T-joint, we can simulate the groove weld. We can also simulate different material thicknesses on the plate, such as the 1/4 inch, the 3/8, and the 10 gauge. We can also go ahead and simulate the different processes. We can simulate gas metal arc welding, we can simulate a short arc transfer, we can simulate a pulse transfer, and we can also simulate the spray transfer. We can simulate flux core, both gas and self-shielded. We can also simulate the 6010, 7018, and the 6013, just like on the regular VRTEX 360. Once we select our process, we can go into the machine setup. We also have the environments just like on the VRTEX 360, where we can simulate between the 5 different environments, such as the ironworks environment, the power plant environment, the motorsports environment, the desert base, and also the weld booth, just like on the VRTEX 360. We have the Unigun, which is a versatile gun that works both for the MIG process, the standard MIG process, or the optional stick process, where we can simply switch them out. During the weld, the student puts the helmet on just like with the VRTEX 360. They have to set the machine up just like on the VRTEX 360. We have written welding procedures. Every weld has one that goes with it, so the students again are forced to pick that welding procedure up and learn how to extract that important information and set the machine up accordingly. Today, since I'm doing a spray transfer, I'm going to select my 9010 gas. I'm going to set the pressure at about 30 CFH. Then I'm going to go ahead and set my machine up, including polarity, setting the wire feed speed, and setting my voltage. Now, if the student does not set the system up properly, it simply locks them out, just like on the VRTEX 360. Once they go in and try it, it locks them out. Once the student learns how to set it up properly by reading the welding procedure, it allows them to go into the program. Once they're in the program, everything they see on the screen, they see inside the goggles. The goggles work just like the ones on the VRTEX 360. They adjust independently, so the student can view it. Once the student puts the helmet on, they get into the virtual environment, and they can weld just like they can on the VRTEX 360. We have the option to get real sound feedback, just like on the VRTEX 360, along with some of the similar screens that we see on the VRTEX 360, such as the instructor's mode and the graph representation, or the laser screen, live action student evaluation report. We can score the welds exactly the same way we can on the 360. So what we can do is we can score the welds, we can track progress, we can save the student evaluation reports exactly like the same way on the VRTEX 360.